Ever wondered if there's a proper way to behave during an open house? Well, there certainly is. Let's explore the finer points of open house etiquette. First on our list is punctuality. Arriving on time for an open house shows respect to both the host and the homeowner. It's a small detail that makes a big impression. Next, think about your attire. Dressing appropriately doesn't mean you need to be in your Sunday best, but it does mean opting for clean, respectful clothing. Remember, first impressions count, and you never know if you might bump into your future neighbor. Moving on, let's talk about respect for the property. Treat the home as if it were your own. Avoid touching personal items, keep your children supervised, and always remove your shoes if asked. Now, you might be tempted to take photos or videos to remember the property. However, it's essential to ask for permission first. Some homeowners may not be comfortable with their home being photographed by potential buyers. Engaging respectfully with the host is another crucial point. Whether it's a realtor or the homeowner themselves, ensure to communicate your questions and interest politely. They're there to help you after all. Navigating Ontario's real estate market can be tricky. Make use of resources like the Real Estate Council of Ontario, the Ontario Real Estate Association, and the Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation to guide you through the process. To wrap it up, remember, be punctual, dress appropriately, respect the property, ask before you snap a photo, and engage politely with the host. These simple points of etiquette can make your open house experience in Ontario smooth and enjoyable. So, go forth and explore the homes of your dreams with confidence and grace. After all, your dream home is just an open house away.